What up, YouTube family? We back with a little video. You know what I'm saying? CJ in here cooking some chicken.
Mommy, talk.
What?
Hello, guys.
You just made... Get out. You just made my phone drop trying to hit the phone with a pillow. Oh, my goodness. Anyway, we got this sauce going. Chicken going. So, I can't wait to taste them. We're going to do a mukbang on CJ Wingz. That's what we're going to do today. And we eating pizza too. But we already did a video about that. We're not making no homemade. We're doing store-bought.
But Mom, I'll take it to sauce.
Is it hot?
Yeah.
It's hot. So, in a minute, you know what I'm saying? Because he want to play his music so he can groove to his chicken. Don't mind my braids because I needed to go swimming and I ain't want my hair all over my head. So, YouTube, we shall return with the chicken on deck. And we're going to do a mukbang because CJ cooking today. You're so fucking rude. So rude and disrespectful. CJ! And tell him about your chicken!
You just gotta taste it.
He ain't even gonna tell us the...
Might send you to the toilet because it's gonna burn that good, but you'll love it.
Really, CJ, we don't want nobody going to the toilet.
If people eat ghost peppers, then you can eat this.
I don't eat ghost peppers, though.
Hey, it's the same thing. My sauce.
Your sauce. He got his own sauce. Next time we gonna have to do battle of the sauces.
Battle of the sauce.
The hot wing sauce. Yeah. Kanisha, what are you doing? Stop picking with his food. You ain't even doing nothing. I thought you was getting the stuff ready for the kids.
First of all, I'm the one who he asked to do this.
Yeah, I just asked for a drop.
Oh, okay. Well, excuse the H out of me. You know what I'm saying? I thought you was getting the snacks together for the kids.
I felt that the snacks, the popcorn and shit, that I'm doing that shit later.
Look at the damn flour all on your belly. You don't even give a damn. Oh, it is recording. What up, y'all? Okay, look like the camera. It's cool. Camera cool, babe?
Camera look cool.
You do see like a little glare button. Yeah. Let us get into this food, okay? So, CJ cooked some wings. He called them CJ Hot, or CJ send you to the toilet. Because the peppers, it be so hot that it send you to the toilet. I don't know, but anyway, this is the wings, his hot pepper wings. And then he did some lemon pepper wings. And then we got like a full piece of full piece of it. And then we got some dips. Because I gotta have dip with my chicken. You ready, babe? We're gonna say some grace. Let's say some grace. Come on.
Lord, thank you for this food. We're about to eat. Thank you for the hands that made this food. Let us enjoy it. I'm starving.
Me too. Amen. And I've been waiting on you to come home because he's been trying to get me to eat this chicken since earlier. Just a sandwich. So. It's good. It's sweet. It's spicy. He didn't tell me everything he put in it. He didn't want to give out the secret ingredients. But but it do got a little kick. It's sweet, but it got a little kick. Yeah, we didn't hear him say that. But they good though. Tastes like a honey hot wing. Not too sweet, like it don't taste like honey though. It don't taste like honey. But I know he put honey in it, so
Yeah, kick too.
yeah. It's good even without ranch. Like, by itself. Okay, CJ. You know what you're doing. Now I gotta taste these lemon pepper.
Piece on point.
Thanks. It ain't our pizza. Remember we made that last video where we did beef dish pizza. Now we ain't make this. Ain't homemade. This is store bought. But with a little season, a little extra cheese. Ooh, it's hot. Makes it good for me. And baby, because she like it too. Right back. We use lemon peppers. Let me let y'all get into these lemon peppers though. Look at that lemon pepper. Look how crispy it look.
Is the water in the bed?
Yeah.
Mama, I want water in the bed.
Just lemon pepper fry. Not too much lemon pepper, but just enough. And you can taste the lemon pepper. It's like a wet rub. I mean a dry wet rub. I don't know. I'll put the chicken on there. So. I ain't eat none of my skin. Like, don't mind me. I'm not a skin
That's
eater.
part of the chicken.
Nope. People say, I'm sorry, babe, that is the best part of the chicken. But it's not the best part of chicken. It is, the meat is the best part of the chicken. Get this on me some buffalo sauce. Mookie.
I have to go to the bathroom with somebody.
Good on. Ooh, that tastes good. Dip in the sauce. Ranch and buffalo. And pizza. How you like the chicken?
Chicken burn. It is done.
Thank you.
I'll give you water. Right?
I think it's better. Dip me like that. Nah, what I was gonna do though is put this buffalo sauce on top of the pizza. Now that would have been fine. Now that I'm tasting it. Can't go wrong with pizza and wings. So babe, cause yeah, he's just not getting here. I've been starving waiting on him to get here. Everybody done damn near ate. No, matter of fact, everybody did eat. Everybody ate. We the last two. No. The people got to see. That's what you do. Every time. That's what you do.
What?
You done, ain't you?
Mm-mm.
Yes, you is. Y'all need to see how big the damn piece is, though. The damn buffalo sauce went down the wrong damn plate. And I'm still eating it. Right. Babe, I'm messing up the ranch by dipping it in this buffalo sauce.
Got a nice little swirl in it.
I swear. What did you do, Ray? How many hair you cut? Let's talk about that.
I wasn't too busy. Couple kids. You know, $10 Tuesdays for the shorts. So, you know. Slow at first because of the rain.
It was raining.
Yeah, it rained real bad.
It ain't really raining out here. You know, what about the kids? Was any of them being bad? Some kids be bad. Getting their hair cut.
Just one little boy, he wasn't really being bad. And maybe it was just because this was my first time cutting his hair and he probably had a bad experience. So he was just real, like just sitting kind of scared the whole haircut. And I'm like, man, relax, you know, just sit back and relax. But he's like, but you know, overall his mama loved his haircut. Told me that a million times.
Well, that was cute.
She actually gave me a $5 tip because it was $10 Tuesday, so she gave me 15.
That's what's up. And then she probably knew that her kid was kind of giving you a little struggle too. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, she was getting her haircut too. Deshaun cut her hair.
Y'all, my baby is a beast at cutting hair. Y'all can follow him on Instagram at Sheddly down below in this video. While y'all doing that, make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Hit that little ding button. I got the sound to make.
Making a mess.
I'm making a clean mess. Look at this skin. I ain't even. That's how I do my chicken, y'all. That's how I eat my chicken.
Wasting a whole good piece of chicken.
Some chicken lovers might be mad at that little scenery.
I'm mad. I'm mad.
But that's not the good part. That's the bad part.
But I ain't gonna lie. I don't need all that for him.
Yeah. May go back. This food starting to be in. Until you do one of your moves. Pick my feet up.
Gotta sit back a little bit.
I know y'all hear this in the background. The baby's just watching the movie. They had their pizza. Now they watching the movie. They don't have all types of stuff today. They have ice cream, cookies, popcorn, candy bags, juice, pizza.
Sound like they type of day. They do it every day if they could.
They play the game. Not only because we're watching the movie, but Mimi in the background jumping around. Pat, you think we know something. Turn it down. On my bed. Yeah, turn it down. You can turn it down. Just turn it down a little bit. Oh my God. Which one you like the best, babe?
I like both of them.
I ain't the question. I said which one you like the best.
The lemon pepper.
I ain't gonna lie. I might thought you was gonna say that. I like both, but I'm rocking with the lemon pepper ones too. Just because they really on point, and I'm not a sweet hot person. I'm a hot person. You know what I'm saying? But they still hot. They're still on point.
Belly walking past.
Barely walking past. CJ Wingz is on point. What you say the name was again? Say it. CJ ass burning wings. That's what it's called for the hot ones. They're supposed to make you go to the toilet and have your ass burning. Babe, we was fucking some shit up. It tastes good, don't it? Let's go. Now, I need you to make me a crab boil.
Fat crab.
That's what we need. I am La La Land with this pizza and this buffalo sauce. Babe, you ain't putting no ranch on your stuff.
And what's the piece? And the piece?
The wings.
I've been dipping.
Dipping and dabbling. I ain't gonna lie, this buffalo sauce came in handy. I'm talking about. You want a little buffalo sauce? You want a little extra? I'm using it for my pizza. Yeah, I think this is the ending game.
Yeah.
This is the ending game.
Yep. It's about a wrap for me.
Yeah.
Oh, is the chicken in there? Run, Buster. It's over with. Be quiet. Turn it down. I gotta tell y'all to turn it down. I still hear a lot of music playing. Hell no, that's a mega beast. Look at this wing. This is a mega beast wing. I don't want none of that. Oh, a piece of it little drip and then drop. Excuse me. But I needed to release that. Didn't I say in the last video I wasn't gonna do no more of that? And you said, yes you is. I'm like, damn. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't do that often. Don't even look like that in the camera because they ain't even see you anyway.
I'm gonna let that ride.
Y'all, I'm trying to tell y'all.
I'm done after that.
Yeah, me too. You got a burp? You got a burp too? Y'all don't mind my hair. Because, they can still see you. We went to the pool the other day. So,
Mama, Charlie jumping around.
okay.
You
Went to the
had it.
pool
No, I didn't.
the other day. And I had to braid my hair up so that I wouldn't have to worry about combing it like that. Cause I don't feel like combing my hair. So I got like 4 braids.
Yeah.
Kids for you. Gotta do my last piece of dance. Pizza and wings. I ain't gonna lie. You got name might be sticking my damn stomach. He's going 50 million hundred right now. Or maybe it's the ranch and the fucking buffalo sauce I put in on my shit. Okay, this last one.
Yeah, I'm out.
It was nice to eat this food. CJ, thank you for the chicken. Excuse me. It was on point. But I thought you said it was done. I need to go.
Send one more lemon pepper.
Wash my face and I wash it up. I just took a drop. Wash my face. My hands got all type of grease on them. And we need to put this food up. We got like 7 slices left and 3 wings. And this is like a big ass piece of it. You fuck this piece up, bro. Really, really bad. I'm gonna have a big goddamn wing. Greasy finger hands. Okay.
That was delicious, I must say. And very fulfilling. Very full.
It feel like I need to go and do like some jumping jacks or something.
Then I need to go take a walk or something. Shit.
Wow. Anyway. Well, YouTube family, thanks for hanging out with us.
Appreciate you for tuning in.
Watching us eat this food. That was so good.
watching us max this food. Wingz and Z, we max. Put
We
the
did.
max down.
Listening to the babies, my kids, not babies, in the background as they play the movie. What? Yeah. We out. We gone. See y'all next time. See y'all later.
Love.
Tune in. Boop, boop. Next time we probably gonna cook and show y'all. Cause we cook too. We don't just eat, we cook. We know how to cook. So we good food. Watch our cooking shows. Alright, babe. Press that in button.